What is going on, Shib Army? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Shibarium, guys. It seems like volume is starting to pick up just a little bit, and it is due to the fact that the projects on Shibarium are coming together, guys. So before I dive into it, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Shibarium. So as it currently stands right now, Bone is sitting at 74 cents, guys. And of course, Bone is super undervalued when it comes to just pricing, guys. 74 cents, especially for a blockchain. But we're going to be able to see this pick up in the near future as things continue to develop on Shibarium. So if we take a look at just the last 24 hours when it comes to transaction, we're sitting at 33,000 transaction, guys, which is a lot better than when we were having, these 8,000 transaction, 9,000, 10,000. It seemed like we're steady. And something happened, and this is what I was talking about like maybe 4 or 5 videos ago. And I was saying like, hey, take a look at these NFTs that's popping up on Shibarium. These NFTs, they're really going to start blowing up. We haven't seen a full blow up as far as like the pricing of NFTs, but we're starting to see surges in transaction when it comes to NFT. Biggest NFT right now, guys, on Shibarium, that's when it comes to volume that's providing, is the Shiba Punks. I made a video about this project. Maybe 2 3 weeks ago, and ever since then, guys, like, they just been constantly doing volume, and this is helping out the chain. This is also helping out the ecosystem where Bone is being used for the gas token. As you take a look, guys, volume, just alone from them, we're looking at 18,000 Bone, guys. So we definitely want to see this continue to go up. Floor pricing, on this is 14 Bone, guys. So this is pretty nice. So I'm looking right now from the time that I minted, looking at a 3x, almost 4x return as far as for Bone. So we have other NFTs that are popping up, and also other NFT marketplaces that's going to start being built on Shibarium. And I can't wait to see how the ecosystem like fully develop, because we're just seeing glimpses of what it could be at the early stage. Remember, we're not even 2 months in yet, guys. We're not 2 months into Shibarium. We're looking at a month going on 2. So this is very promising, just to be able to see transactions start to pick up. Now, brick by brick, Shibarium project, as well as 20 other different projects, are coming together with a $2,500 reward that you could actually add for, in Bone. It's one grand prize, and the way that you have to win is create a meme that represents Shibarium as a whole. And I like this because they're bringing awareness. And for the last couple of days, I've been seeing spaces on Twitter about Shibarium. So these projects are coming together and pretty much accelerating the mass adoption. Because remember, now that Bone contract is renounced, Shibarium is for the people. It is for us. So developers that's coming out there, teams that's coming out there, guys. So this is going to be a pretty interesting thing just to be able to see coming forward. But back to the $2,500. So you create a meme that best represents Shibarium as a whole. Quote this post with your meme. Tag one influencer, use Shibarium Network, share your tweet in at least one of the Telegram listed in the thread. Contest starts now and ends on Thursday at 5 p.m. UCT time. Guys, if you want to get some extra dough, $2,500, this is the way that you could be able to do it. So this is pretty. I'm gonna leave the link of this tweet in the description, so that way you guys could, if you want to try to enter in, because not only what they're doing, because again, they're coming out their own pockets, their own projects to be able to fund this, and this is marketing for Shibarium, guys. Again, it's not one team that owns Shibarium. We as the holders of Bone, we're the one who actually own Shibarium. So good to see that we're building. Good to see that, you know, a lot of stuff is happening as far as in the background of Shibarium with these projects. So huge shout out to them. And this is why I do the videos that I do, you know, try to be able to support, make awareness to what's out there. It's not necessarily I'm shilling any project. I'm just really shilling Shibarium, like the uses of Shibarium. So let me know, guys, in the comment down below your thoughts, your opinion about all this. And this is, in my opinion, is only the beginning, guys. 33,000 transaction. You know, of course, we're not where we started at, but this is definitely a good start. Random Arts guys signing off. Hopefully you enjoy your morning. Peace.